Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You will start by verifying essentials and taking immediate safeguards. First, check your Windows edition and architecture so the right tools are used. This affects commands and drivers. Next, create a system restore point and backup key files because changes to activation or registry can be reversed if needed. Once done, open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Activation to see the specific notification type. Make sure you note any error codes, since these determine the targeted fixes that follow. Now you will perform the middle, technical steps that resolve most notifications. Start with the built-in troubleshooter in Activation. It can repair licensing files automatically. If that fails, open an elevated command prompt and use slmgr. VBS commands to rearm, refresh token, or reinstall the key. This forces Windows to reevaluate activation. Also, check services to confirm software protection and network-related services are running because activation needs them. If you change a setting, restart Windows to allow services and licensing components to sync properly. Finish by confirming activation and addressing stubborn failures. Re-enter the correct product key or sign in with the Microsoft account tied to your digital license. This often clears persistent notifications. If errors persist, note the code and contact Microsoft Activation Support for a validated resolution. Agents can validate hardware ID and issue a fix. One key troubleshooting tip: if you edited the registry or system files, immediately use the restore point you created to revert changes, then attempt activation again so you avoid compounding issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.